This 2018 Forest River Vengeance 381L is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 43 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 10, microwave, spare tire kit, water heater, leveling jacks, air conditioning, DVD player, stove top burner, LP detector, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, and 100-gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Forest River Vengeance 381L is 14,221 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.